Well, heck, it's Saturday morning. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunny blue sky day here. I just figured this out. I guess I'm an idiot. This is my new little battery cordless shop vac thing, wet dry shop vac. This thing has been great. I love it. The only problem with it is these hoses, I guess pipes that come with it, are fragile. I've already busted two of them. Just stepped on one and that was it. Gone. History. Anyways, I got some more of those ordered. But I just figured out today, on my last day here, after making all this mess here that I gotta clean up, that the wand, or the end of the hose, for the Bosch thing, fits right into my Festool track saw. Like friction fit, perfect. The hose is a bit short for some things. I'd maybe have to get a longer one. I think they sell a longer one. But yeah, that's hilarious. Anyways, back to work. Yippee-ki-yay. I think you know the rest. Boy, that looks nice. That's a solid door. Rocks the whole house. I gotta do a little bit of touch up here and there, and I gotta stain the edge. But other than that, that door's in. That's a nice solid door, let me tell you. Basically soundproof. Bit of a mess, but excuse me, that's how I'm doing the threshold here. Step over this side, light's better probably too. Oh, maybe not. So I've got the piece of aluminum in there with the wood sloped back, and that's screwed into the floor, and then I've siliconed all the way around here. So the idea, of course, is undo this door. Any water hits, rain hits the door, goes down here, it cannot go in the house. Just not possible. Now, if it pools here, that's a problem for another day, but at least it's not going in the house. So I'd call that a win. Well, there she is, all loaded up with garbage. You can see why, if I had to take that all back to Tokyo, I'd have trouble fitting my tools in. So I'm glad or my wife found the garbage place that's only like 10 minutes away. So it's about 1:30 now, I guess. I'm gonna go there and grab some lunch and come back, and then I gotta do a super duper clean up and organize and get all my stuff out of here so the client can come and enjoy their house again. And I'll take it for a final walkthrough before I leave. I'm going to this garbage place today. I went and visited here the other day, just made sure it was all copacetic, and today I'm going with a load of garbage to drop it off. Never done any business with these guys before. See how it turns out. It's off the beaten path a little bit, but not bad. Fortunately, it's only about 10 minutes from my place where I'm doing their renovation. Oh, jeez, bumpy road. That's the place. See, I have no idea what the procedure is. I'll have to find out. Well, that wasn't too bad. The guys were kind of freaking out because I'm a foreigner, and do you understand Japanese? You know, like, yeah, if you say it louder, I understand better. I guess they don't see too many foreigners out here. But they were nice guys, no problem at all. The only problem is I had the stuff kind of mixed together. I had like the wood, and then I had the drywall, and then I had some plastic stuff and some aluminum and some wood, and so it kind of threw them for a loop, and they couldn't figure out exactly how many cubic meters of each one I had, so they just said, well, we're gonna have to count it as mixed and we'll charge you more. And I'm like, well, what else am I supposed to do? And they're like, well, bring it separately. And it's like 3 separate trips? I don't think so. So anyways, it wasn't too bad. I mean, basically it was about the same that I would have paid in Tokyo, and I don't got a whole way back to Tokyo, so I'm counting it as a win. Anyways, they also gave me a sheet of how much they charge for each kind of garbage per cubic meter, which is really convenient to have. I've never had any of these places actually give me a sheet like that, because now it's a good indication of what things cost. So Anyways, back and load up my tools and drive back to Tokyo. A final walkthrough. It's a little after 4 in the afternoon here on Saturday. There's the laundry room. All done except for that one piece in the corner there I gotta buy. Next time I come I'll bring that. But this all looks great. Turn that light off so only their smart light is on. This is all cleaned up. I can't remember how it was arranged, so they'll have to rearrange it themselves. Turn this light off. And here is the new door for there. Nice big solid door. And here's the new door with the new threshold down there. I think that should keep any water out. And I got the auto lights up here, which is nice at night. I got more to do here, but the main big job is done, that laundry room and the doors. I still want to put up more of these privacy blinds. I actually bought them, but I just haven't had time. And of course, the next big thing to do is to replace this door. So yeah, that's going to be the big deal. It's a beautiful day. It's calm now. It was windy earlier. But I got all my tools racked up and I'm ready to go. Well, it's been a heck of a week. Got a lot done and figured out a lot of stuff. So now we need to order a new door and go from there with that. But I really do appreciate everybody following along. It's a bit lonely up here in the mountains by myself. Today I had the SACOM guy come like 3 times because we had to change the key and he had to put a new sensor on, and then he had to get somebody to sign off on the work. But I'm not the client, so they had to phone the client, bother him, sorry about that, and say, is it okay that this guy signs off? And I mean, I'm the guy that's been designated as the guy that's working here. I mean, they know I'm here, I'm working and everything, but anyways, they have, it's I's to dot and T's to cross, so whatever, it's fine. I'm not really upset about it or anything. But geez, it's bright out there, sorry about that. Is that better? Lovely day for a drive home, but the SACOM guy was just telling me that the cherry blossoms are out, the early cherry blossoms, I can't remember what he called it, some other kind of sakura, not the regular sakura that's out usually in April, but they're out, and he's saying halfway between here and Tokyo, Odawara or near Atsugi, he said the traffic's just stopped because there's so many people going to look at the cherry blossoms. So I'm like, oh great, now I gotta deal with that going home. So anyways, what do you do? I mean, I don't know why. I think out of the 8 or 10 times I've come down here, once it's been like a under 3-hour drive. And the longest was 6.5, almost 7 hours. But yeah, hopefully today I'm gonna just kind of take it easy, and I think I'm gonna take the client was telling me to take what's called the Izu Skyline, which I know is beautiful. I used to ride on the motorcycles, and there's really nice views of Fuji-san and all the rest of that. So maybe I'll just take that and hopefully avoid all the sakura watcher guys and gals, because they can be annoying because they drive so slow and they stop to take pictures in the middle of the road. It's kind of funny. Anyways, everybody, I really appreciate you guys following along, and I love the comments. It really means a lot to me to have people commenting on my videos and empathizing or telling me what I did wrong or whatever. I don't really care. Just the interaction is really nice. So everybody, please take care and like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I mean, come on, subscribe. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.